करुणाकरसूरीन्द्र गुरुवर्यपदाम्बुजां नवनीतनटोत्तंसां गुरुपङ्क्ति श्रियन्नुमः. Tirupavai, a treasure house of threes, 25th Pasuram. Andal talks about three unparalleled aspects associated with the birth of Lord Krishna in this Pasuram. Lord Krishna got seated in his royal throne and was all ears to listen to what Andal and her friends had to say. Andal looked at the Lord and realized that this incarnation or avataram is indeed for their own sake. So she felt like praising that day when the Lord incarnated as Krishna. She says Lord Krishna came as the son of the unparalleled woman Devaki. Orutti maganai pirandu. Now, why is Devaki Devi referred to as Orutti or the unparalleled one? This is because Devaki Devi did penance in her previous birth when she was called Prishni, so that she could attain Lord Narayana himself as her son. So she was this unparalleled mother who did severe penance to attain the Lord himself as her son. Secondly, Andal refers to the mother of Krishna, that is Yashoda Devi, also to be an unparalleled mother. Orutti maganai olittu valara. Why does she say so? Yashoda indeed was unparalleled because Lord Krishna chose to show his simplicity in complete form to Yashoda alone. Once he happened to reveal all the worlds inside his mouth when Yashoda told him to open his mouth thinking that he had swallowed mud. But the next moment, Yashoda became unconscious and the Lord made her forget all about his supremacy and greatness. It is said that just after this episode, Yashoda called out to Krishna to bathe him, and she actually finished bathing that Lord who has the entire universe inside him with a handful of water. Thus, the Lord decided to show his simplicity so beautifully to Yashoda Devi, thus making her unparalleled. Next, this Pasuram also talks about that night when the Lord incarnated as Krishna, and that night also was an unparalleled one. Or iravu, says Andal. Why so? This was the night when locked doors opened themselves up. This was the night when chains released bonds all by themselves. When the Lord incarnates, all bondage from this world gets broken. Such a significant thing was conveyed during this night. Not just this, Swami Deshikan says this was the night when live men fell down like stones and deities which had taken up the form of a stone actually came out in person. What kind of a story is this? It is said that when Vasudeva had to go out of the prison at Mathura, cross the Yamuna and go to Gokulam, the doors opened all by themselves and all the soldiers fell unconscious such that they appeared to be like rocks having fallen down. They were motionless. Vasudeva got out of the jail and for a moment he was lost because for so many years he had not seen anything in the city. So the streets appeared new to him. He seemed to have lost his way. At this time, it is said that the local deities which were present as idols inside their little temples came out in person to guide Vasudeva to take the proper route. Such was the uniqueness of this night. There are many more unique aspects to this night which have been described in detail in the Yadavabhyudayam of Swami Deshikan. Thus, this Pasuram talks about three unique or unparalleled things. That is, the night when Lord Krishna incarnated and his two unique mothers, Devaki and Yashoda. Andal Tiruvadigalé Sharanam.